Hello, my excited little friends. Today I'll draw Bluey opening a shiny present with a big smile. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a story full of giggles, surprises, and happy little adventures. Before we start, can you press the like button like giving Bluey a cheerful paw high five? That will make her tail wag faster and her eyes sparkle with joy. The morning sun glows warmly. The sky is bright and clear. Bluey stretches her paws. Her tail flicks with cheer. Bingo bounces nearby, ears flopping as she laughs aloud. "Look, Bluey," she says, "you have a present, shining and proud." Bluey gasps in surprise. "A present just for me? Oh, wow." She shakes it gently. "I wonder what's inside. Let's see now." She carefully tears the paper. Sparkles fall on the floor. "Wow," she cries with glee. "This gift is so much more." Can you pretend to open a gift too? Use your hands slow and wide. Imagine the sparkles falling and treasures waiting inside. Bluey lifts the lid slowly, her eyes growing big and round. Inside is a soft little toy that jumps up with a joyful sound. Bingo claps her paws. "It's perfect for you, Bluey dear." Bluey hugs it tightly. "I'll play with you all year." They dance around together, tail wags and happy spins. "Thank you, little present," Bluey whispers. "Let the fun begin." Do you want to hug your toy too? Hold it close and tight. Pretend to spin and dance and giggle with delight. Bluey shows Dad the gift. "Look, Dad, what I got today." Dad laughs and nods. "It's wonderful, Bluey, hooray." Then Mum walks in smiling. "Did you enjoy your surprise?" Bluey hugs her tightly. "Yes, Mum, it's the best prize." Bingo joins the hug. "We love seeing you so happy." Bluey giggles softly. This gift makes the day feel snappy. Can you give a little hug too? Wrap your arms around tight. Bluey cuddles the toy, feeling warm and bright. She puts it on her shelf, but keeps it close for play. Every time she sees it, her tail wags all day. The sun begins to lower, painting clouds in golden light. Bluey waves to everyone, her eyes shining bright. "Best day ever," she says. "I love my gift today." Bingo smiles and waves. "See you tomorrow for more play." Do you like getting presents too? Imagine opening one with glee. The story ends gently, with hearts happy and free. Bluey waves her paw. "Thanks for joining my fun today." Bingo laughs softly. "See you tomorrow for another play."